The HP Color LaserJet Pro M283fdw is a wireless all-in-one color laser printer designed for home offices or small work teams. It combines printing, scanning, kiting, and faxing in one unit while supporting mobile printing and duplex functionality for efficiency and convenience. Print speed and resolution. It can print up to 22 pages per minute (ppm) in both black and color. The printer's resolution is up to 600 dpi for both black and color prints. Multifunction capabilities. Besides printing, it supports scanning, copying, and fax. It includes a 50-page automatic document feeder, ADF, for scanning or copying multi-page documents without manual page turning. Duplex two-sided printing. Automatic two-sided printing duplex is supported as a standard feature. Paper handling and capacity. The standard input tray holds 250 sheets. The output bin holds 100 sheets. It supports a variety of paper types and sizes, from 3x5 up to 8.5 14 inches, envelopes, cardstock, transparencies, etc. The media weight range is typically 60 to 163 gametes, with allowances for heavier media, HDs up to 175 or 200 gamen under certain conditions. User interface and control. It features a 2.7-inch 6.8cm color touchscreen for control and navigation. The processor is 800 MHz with 256 MB DDR memory, wireless and network connectivity, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for wireless printing. Ethernet 10100/1000 base TX port is included for wired networking. It supports mobile printing options including HP Smart App, HP ePrint, Apple AirPrint, and Wi-Fi Direct Printing. Duty cycle and recommended volume. The monthly duty cycle is up to 40,000 pages. The recommended monthly print volume is about 150 to 2,500 pages. Energy and sustainability. It has auto-on, auto-off technology to conserve power. The product is EPEAT Silver certified and meets recognized sustainability and energy efficiency criteria. Toner and consumables. It uses 4 toner cartridges: black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Replacement toner cartridges include standard yield and high yield options, e.g. HP 206A and 206X series. The HP Color LaserJet Pro M283fdw is a feature-rich multifunction color laser printer designed to support a small office or home business environment. Its strengths lie in its robust wireless capabilities, automatic duplex printing, built-in security, and support for mobile workflows. While the reliance on HP's dynamic security, restricting third-party toners, may be a trade-off for some users, the overall performance, versatility, and energy efficiency make it a compelling choice for users needing reliable color printing, scanning, carrying, and faxing in one package.